Welcome, my YouTube peeps. It is late. It's got to be 2 in the morning. Just got off 6.5 hour detention from a 3 p.m. delivery. So, no, it's not 2 in the morning. Maybe it's 1 in the morning. It's late. Tired. Driving through Arkansas. Humidity so bad. Wipers on. Rolling the windows down every couple minutes to be able to see the mirrors. I mean, bad. This is like Colorado rain. Anyway, just thinking about you guys. Hope you're all doing well out there. I just came out of a convenience store where the poor kid in there couldn't even speak to me other than to tell me that the cost was $5. How you doing? Dead silence. After the transaction. See you later. Silence again.